Today, I have built a team of talented people, expanded to a bigger workspace, and earned $60,000 through video editing alone in 2024. Now, how did I do it? A few years ago, I was sitting in my bedroom with my small computer and editing videos for clients and wondering how I'm going to take this business to next level. I was editing videos all alone with my limited creativity, limited number of hours, and limited ideas. Later on, my friend Asad joined me and we were working together virtually. But then we went for a small workspace. We were working very well, but scalability was not possible with two of us. I took a few steps, hired a few people, but I was failing because I didn't know how to scale my business and how to manage my team. Now fast forward to today. I have built a team of talented people, expanded to a bigger workspace, and earned $60,000 through video editing alone in 2024. Now, how did I do it? Stick around and I'll walk you through every step of my journey. Every big success story starts small, and mine was no different. Back then, I was wearing all the hats, editing videos, finding clients, handling revisions, and managing deadlines. It was overwhelming, but it taught me the skills I needed to grow. I learned that consistency is the key. No matter how tired or frustrated I was, I made sure to deliver quality work on time. I remember the days when I was working for Orange Line Metro train in Lahore, Pakistan, where I had to be available for 48 hours, do the work, and deliver on time. I did it and landed that client for 2 years. This built trust with my clients and helped me to secure repeat jobs. Now here is a tip. If you are starting solo, focus on building your skills and reputation first. Invest in tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects and learn techniques that set you apart. Building a strong team. As my workload grew, I realized that I couldn't do it all alone. That's when I decided to build a team, but hiring the right people was not easy at all. It required careful planning and trust. I started by reaching out to people in my network and posting it in online communities. I looked for individuals who had both skill and passion for learning. Even the most talented people need direction. I spent months to train my team to align with my clients' goals and my editing style. Delegating work was hard at first, but I learned to trust my team over the time. This gave me more time and energy to focus on developing the business. Once the team was in place, it became clear that we had outgrown my small workspace. Moving to a bigger studio was a leap of faith, but it was a necessary step to create a productive environment for the team. We were working in a very suburb area. It was a very rushy one. We were having a lot of issues like parking, people hanging around, electricity, internet. But right now, our workspace is in one of prime locations of Pakistan. Look, in business, you have to invest money to make money. Investing in the right infrastructure can make a huge impact on your psychology of money. Finding and retaining clients. Clients are the lifeblood of any business, whether it's service business or manufacturing business. Over the years, I have worked with a wide range of clients from startups to established brands. But here is a catch. Finding the clients is only half the battle. Retaining them is where the real work begins. I used platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn to connect with my potential clients, where a well-crafted portfolio and consistent communication were key. If you want to build long-term relationships with your clients, it's not just about delivering the work. It's about understanding your client's vision and exceeding their expectations. And this is how I retained my clients. Most of my clients became my long-term partners because they trusted me to deliver quality work in lightning fast speed. If a client comes to us and say, can you deliver a project in 6 to 8 hours? And our answer is always yes, because we have divided our team into two groups. One works in daytime and other one works at nighttime. So no matter from wherever you are, we have got you covered. Whenever you reach out to us, there will always be someone to answer your queries. And that's how we are getting more and more clients day by day. As Walt Disney said, do what you do so well that they will want to see it again and bring their friends. Now let's talk about the art and business of video editing. Success in this field is more than just technical skills. It's about creativity, storytelling, and client satisfaction. And here are a few tips for video editors. Master the basics of video editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve. Stay updated with industry trends like vertical videos and AI tools. Focus on storytelling to create emotional connections. And here are some tips for freelancing as well. Communicate clearly with clients, set realistic deadlines and stick to them. Always ask for feedback and improve. In freelancing, your reputation is everything. Deliver on your promises and word of mouth will bring you more clients than any ad ever could. My journey from a solo freelancer to building a $60,000 per year business was not easy at all. It was filled with challenges, risk, late nights, and a lot more. But every step was worth it. Here is my message to all the freelancers working out there day and night. Growth takes effort, time, and courage. Build your skills, take risks, and never stop learning. As Winston Churchill once said, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on freelancing, video editing, and business growth, just hit that white thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. Let's make 2025 a year full of growth together. See you.